Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm basically breaking down a quick intro and starter to beginner friendly for Forex trading for 2026. So now obviously, if you wanted to start Forex trading or wanted to basically learn about it, this video is going to be very helpful for you guys because it gives you a quick intro to what Forex trading is, obviously what you're basically doing, what you basically need to be focusing on. So again, this is a quick little breakdown, right? Very fast, short, simple, and sweet. And then I'm gonna have other videos on my YouTube channel for you guys to really watch and learn from a course education standpoint. So again, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and comment below on what you think. Again, this is a step-by-step quick introduction about Forex trading for those. And again, this isn't meant to be 30 minutes long, an hour, or 5 hours. All my videos are very short, simple, and sweet, okay? So very first thing, guys, what is Forex trading, right? Understanding the basics of Forex. Forex stands for foreign exchange. It's the market where currencies are traded. You're buying one currency and you're selling another. Example, EUR USD, right? Or gold, XEU US dollar, right? It's the most liquid market in the world, basically running 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. No pump and dumps, no market manipulation, no shady brokers, no shady market makers, none of that, right? It's just, there's no physical exchange. It's all digital, right? And this is what makes it very fast and flexible and user friendly for people coming to look, to make money day in and day out. Now, I came from trading stocks where there's nothing about pump and dumps and like brokers like E-Trade or Scottrade or Thinkorswim basically causing like glitches or platform issues or the market makers basically stopping you out. I've done it all. I've traded stocks, I've traded futures, I traded options. My personal opinion, the United States, the brokers are the absolute worst, right? They want you to lose, okay? So this is basically why I transitioned to Forex trading, because Forex trading, there's no rules, there's no regulations, right? It's simple. I take my money, I deposit in the broker. If I'm a good trader, which I am, and I've built up that status level over the course of years and years and years, right? I got my money, right? I place my trades, I execute, I follow my rules, my strategy, my discipline, right? Risk management, okay? I know what I'm looking to make 500, I'm risking $200. If I make my profit, which I do, right? It's simple. I withdraw my money and that's it, right? There's no rules, there's no restrictions. I can come every day, make $500 and withdraw that $500 day in and day out. And there's no issues, right? There's no manipulation. There's no, shady stuff going on with my trades or the broker, okay? This is why I love it. This is why I always do Forex trading until the day I die. Obviously, if you want to get started with Forex trading, you need to learn candlesticks, right? Charting, that's the number one thing, okay? You need to understand candlestick patterns. These patterns show you how price behaves, right? They tell a story. Like a doji candle is basically it's a signals indecision, which it doesn't know like where it's going to go. It's going to go up, it's going to go down. So, those are things that you have to basically pay attention to because you don't know if you're going to buy or you're going to sell. And then you got, basically patterns like a hammer can show reversal. A bullish engulfing means momentum is shifting, right? It's not about memorizing 30 patterns because there's so many patterns out there like cup and handle, double top, double bottom, triple top, triple bottom, right? It's all about knowing which few will actually give you an edge and actually help you. Now, this whole charting patterns, candlesticks, charting time frame, 1 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute. I'm gonna have all these videos for you guys on this YouTube channel. So again, you need to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, comment below, turn on your notifications, because again, I'm gonna be dropping a lot of educational videos for you guys. Basically, it's gonna be like an entire course, but they're gonna be basically broken down into little baby sections, okay? Not some video where it's like 30 minutes, an hour, 4 hours long, because I mean, who the fuck wants to sit through that? Nobody does, okay? Obviously, you need to learn about with trading, master, support, demand, supply, okay? This is my bread and butter, right? This is where most beginners really level up. And learning supply and demand zones is key to trading, right? Supply zones are areas where sellers step in and the price tends to drop. The demand zone is basically the complete opposite. It's where buyers are ready to push the price back to the upside. These zones, you're going to learn them over time, and they're important to how you basically take your trade, right? Support, resistance, buyers, right? Think of it like a basketball. You keep bouncing on the floor, right? You bounce a basketball on the ground, it's going to bounce back up, right? You bounce it again, it's going to bounce back up, right? This is basically setups that we're looking for day in and day out. Obviously, you'll get better at identifying these, but these are things that you're going to have to learn to basically become a trader, a successful, profitable trader. And with these zones, you're going to basically mark these levels out on your chart and wait for price to react. And this is how we're going to catch and how you're going to catch clean reversals or breakouts with confidence. So again, learning Forex, being a Forex trader, obviously you need to learn support and demand zones, okay? Very simple, very, very simple. And again, I'm going to teach you guys all this throughout the course of multiple videos on this YouTube channel. Forex trading, you obviously need to sign up with a Forex broker. In order to actually place trades and make money, you need a broker. A broker is basically where you're going to take your money, you can put your money in that broker, and then this is where you're going to actually execute all your trades, okay? You're going to download the trading platform TradeLocker, and basically when you use your broker is basically synced to this trading platform, and you know, anytime you make a trade, right, any profit you make obviously goes into your trading account. Any losses you make, obviously you basically lose your money. Now obviously I use the broker Gates FX. I've been using this broker for a very long time now, and I have actual proof of withdrawals. It's easy for people to talk about brokers and recommending brokers and prop firms, but half the people, actually more than half of the people, probably about 90% of the people don't actually show real proof withdrawals. I have a video on my YouTube channel. If you guys search for it, right, it shows you a $50,000 withdrawal. I have other withdrawals I'm constantly showing on my Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, even my Discord. Or if you want, you can click the link below this video and join the free Discord group, and you can send me a private DM saying, hey, I want proof of your most recent withdrawal. Or you might say, hey, I want proof of all your withdrawals from 2025, and I'll gladly be able to show you that instantly, right? So nonetheless, I recommend using the same link as me, because if you guys use my link, right, not only are you going to get a 100% matching deposit bonus, which means that if you only have $100, great, you click on my link, you deposit 100, they give you 100. That's a matching deposit bonus, okay? So you have $200 to trade with. The more money you have to trade with, the easier trading is, because you can take basically bigger position size and you don't need that big of a move, and you can make great profit. Obviously it's free capital, it's a no-brainer. But if you guys also use my link, you actually get access to our free Telegram signals group, where I basically tell people where I'm looking to buy, where I'm looking to sell, and I actually have a 90% win rate. So again, you guys can look at that yourself because it's free. 90% win rate with all my trades, all my signals, day in and day out. So, but nonetheless, before you guys trade with real money, I always recommend starting with a demo account. Now, what is a demo account? Anybody can start a demo account. All you have to do is basically download TradeLocker and basically create a demo account. And basically what it is you don't want to jump in with trading with live capital right away, right? This is how most people blow up their first account, or ultimately they just get a bad taste in their mouth. They're like, man, I lost $100 in like an hour or 5 minutes. I'm never doing trading again. So this is why I tell people start with a demo account. It's basically fake money. It's like monopoly money, right? You could trade real market conditions. You can learn which charting platform you like the best, whether it's on 1 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, an hour. How you like to look at your charts, right? Because this is a chart right here on this laptop. Do you like the green candles, the red candles? Do you like white candles, blue candles? You basically learn to customize and learn how to use your stop loss, your take profit, how to actually enter a trade, how to exit a trade, how to exit a trade partial, how to enter a trade partial, how to use different indicators, right? Ultimately, just how to use the platform and how to actually trade, okay? This is why I tell people to use a demo account. Now, again, if you're serious about trading, right? Like obviously you want to do this, right? You want to make money. So there's no rush, right? People often say, well, how do you know when you made it? I didn't make it, right? I'm still grinding day in and day out. It's a never-ending grind. It's a never-ending hustle. If you're not a hustler, if you don't like to come and hustle and make money, if you say, hey, I want a guaranteed paycheck day in, day out, week after week, month after month, I want a fixed dollar amount paycheck, trading is not for you, right? Obviously, you work a salary job to get that guaranteed amount. With trading, you have ups and downs, right? Some weeks we're making more money in a week than what people make an entire year. Or there's some weeks where we don't make nothing, right? It all depends on the market and the conditions, right? So these are things that I'm being honest with you guys about. So trading is the most rewarding thing out of everything, right? Sports betting, Amazon, you want to try and sell stuff on Amazon, or you be that person that goes to like Walmart and buy like discounted cheap shit and then try and sell it in your Amazon store, you're barely making any profit margin, right? When I make a trade and, right, if it's a good setup, I got my risk management, right? I know what I'm risking. I know what my target is, and I do good on that trade, right? I hit my profit target. It's 100% profit. It's 100% my money, right? I could take all 100% of that and withdraw it instantly, go buy what I want, do what I want that same exact day. Okay, so ultimately, guys, I want to break this down for you guys because I don't want this video to go on very, very long. We're at basically 10 minutes right now. You need to plug into a community, okay? And, you know, obviously, Forex can be very lonely if you're doing it solo. You're going to feel like a deer in the headlights, right? This is why I created a free Discord community. I don't ask you for your credit card. The link is below this YouTube video. All you have to do is click it, and then, bink, it takes you right to the Discord. Right? That's it. Very, very simple. Where we drop live trade ideas. We say good morning. How's everyone doing today? Have a great weekend. We're just a great family community, and we just like to connect with other traders and people. Okay? There's no fluff. There's no ego. It's just a solid education and support system. And again, the link is below this YouTube video. Other people charge for Discords, or they ask you for all your personal information. We don't do that. So obviously, there you have it, guys. This is a real beginner's roadmap to start Forex trading the right way. You know, obviously you need to learn the basics, test your skills, and if you're ready to go live with a broker that backs you up and gets a bonus capital, obviously click my link below this YouTube video. If you guys want to join the free Discord community, the link is below this video as well. Subscribe to the channel because again, I'm going to be dropping the entire course step by step for everything, right? Forex trading, everything you need to know about Forex trading, different indicators I use, time frames, the best setups. Everything is going to be on this YouTube channel. All I ask is for you guys to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and comment below. That's all I ask in return, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. 2026 is our year. Let's keep grinding day in and day out and push. The sky is the limit, guys.